Vancouver wrapping up the 4-game homestand and wearing their retro unis tonight. They're going to start a line with Cliff Ronning, Sergio Momesto, and Jeff Cordell on the wings. Canucks break back the other way. Miller cuts across. Out of his backhand, he's in! And couldn't find Shatter in front of that Avalanche net.
The Canucks flying skate sweaters will run you about 150. Easy choice, I'd say, Dave.
That one is in. Deflected right in front of Demko, and the Avalanche have taken the lead. 1-0.
Right off a face-off play, and what a wrister from the blue line to the net. And just excellent execution here. And you can see Megna was right in there as well, too. But Belmar in the high slot gets a piece of this shot, and it's a pretty quick, hard release by Johnson, and right there, tap with the blade of the stick. The Avalanche have shooters on the points now that are looking for forwards and producing.
Here's McKinnon to Eric Johnson. Johnson in, saved by Demko. As Johnson steps up in the play, got a good backhander away. McKinnon, without his running mates, Landeskog and Rantanen, who are out injured. Here's Girard. He shoots, and that is blocked. Loose, Donskoy. Big stop by Demko as he comes across and shuts the door.
Johnson, the defenseman, walking up, and then the shot by Girard, rebound to Donskoy, and bang, the extension to deny him on the doorstep. Donskoy, 9 goals already on the season. The Avalanche just scored to make it 1-0. Another quick goal, and it can deflate a building in a hurry.
Here's a chance, stepping in. Levo shoots, and it got through Bevo and out the other side. Adler up the ice. Two got dead. Wide for Levo. Levo's got a step. Centers it out in front. And he scores! Arrow McGoddens. And it's a tie game.
Our plays they've had this game haven't generated a whole bunch, so let's change it up. A nice breakout pass by Adler. Speed of Levo stays with the puck, drags, holds, and finds Gaudette right in the slot. Gaudette's been sniffing, was tickling the rafters on the last power play, was wide open. Little push off there to separate, find a little space, and drills it home and ties this game.
Gaudette from Levo and Edler. Makar and shoots. That's blocked in front. Avalanche get onto the loose puck. It's Burakovsky to Makar. McKinnon shoots. Scores! Nathan McKinnon with a laser. One time back of the net, and it's 2-1 Colorado.
Avalanche to come up with it. This little play down low. Donskoy out to the slot. Comes right back to him. He just kind of shovels it towards Demko, but then regains possession. And then Makar with this shot through all that traffic. That puck is up for grabs right there. Excellent retrieval by Burakovsky to get it back to Makar, quickly over to McKinnon. He puts it over top of the sprawling Tanev, elevates it quickly, bang, on the one-timer. He's had a couple great looks, and that one there gets by Demko for a 2-1 lead. But it's been a much tighter checking game in this second period.
Long stretch pass for Kadri. Kadri and shoots. Scores! Nazem Kadri with a wicked wrister, and it's 3-1 Avalanche.
And what a wicked pass. It's Cale Makar, just a flick of the wrist. Looks up the ice, he's in one position, has his head up looking to see who's open, and he puts it right on the tape of Kadri. Second assist from Makar, bang. Right on the tape, he's in, and makes a good shot. It's a sharp angle, but he beats Demko with that release and a 3-1 lead for the Avalanche. Nice job by Tanev there to take that away.
Good pass up to Kadri. Kadri in. Stopped by Demko. A beauty as he scrolls out with that left pad. Edler traps the puck, goes across to Edler. Edler deep in the zone, in front. Besser bangs away once, twice. Bevo makes the save, and a penalty call coming up again. Berchi puts it back to the line for Edler. Edler across. Wrister on the way. Tanner Pearson thought he could get a tip. Here's Gaudette, scores! Adam Gaudette's got another. And the Canucks are back within one.
Onto the team. He's been in and out of the lineup. Down to the minors, came up, and he's been scrapping to keep himself into this lineup and stay in the league. And another great shot by him right in the dying seconds of the period. He rips just as soon as it comes to him. Travis Green pulls off the top unit, which you typically wouldn't see late in the period like that. Didn't like the way things were going. It was the second unit that scored late.
Keeps the point. Tanev holds his ground and then mishandled on the pass, but they keep it in there. Here's Miller now. Miller behind the Canuck net. Centers it out in front. Pettersson with a shot. Bevo with a stop on Pettersson. point blank. Edler to Myers. Myers wrist shot, save, rebound, and it's tapped just wide as they collapse on that Avalanche net. Here comes MacKinnon. Racing up the middle, cuts wide, drops it off for Donskoy. Donskoy shot, hits the post. Rebound to Graves. Gets it back to MacKinnon. MacKinnon to Makar. Back to the point. Great pressure now for Colorado. MacKinnon trying to muscle his way past Pearson. Does. Shrugs him off, gets it across. What a goal! Great feed from MacKinnon, and it's Burakovsky with a finish. And the Avalanche restore a 2-goal lead.
Shift once again, battles one, and it's Nathan MacKinnon. Watch him separate here. Just control, just bowls himself right through Pearson there. What a pass. Finds an open lane, and it's Burakovsky that gets himself right to that far side, gets a stick down on the ice, but all Nathan MacKinnon here. Just wins a battle, gets his feet moving, and then beautiful little pass onto the tape to extend the lead to 2 once again.
Adam Gaudet's looked dangerous almost every shift tonight. That pass intended for Gaudet, cut off, and here's a chance for Comper. Comper is in, stopped by Demko. Here's Edler, play continues with Calvert down in the offensive zone. Miller works it across. Here's a snapshot, they score! Edler taps it in while Calvert is down on the ice.
Yeah, and immediately in a bad area, and then they stay with it. This is the pass there by Hughes. What a wicked zipper pass. Cross seam, and it's tapped in. Just good puck movement. They knew they had a man down, and it's Edler that's right down beside the net that jams that one home with a lot of time on the clock here. It's a 1-goal game, 2:37 still left.
Waits, holds, back down low again to Miller. Up top to Hughes. Hughes, Pettersson was not in his wheelhouse, gets it back. There's the shot. Rebound, Besser scores! Brock Besser has tied the game.
Line, they've had a tough go in this one, but watch this for Pettersson. He doesn't try and rip this one through the traffic. He's been getting his shots knocked down and blocked all night, and he floats this one in there. He gets it down into the danger zone right there. It's not handled by Bibo, and Brock Besser on the doorstep is able to jam this one home. For Pettersson, this is a smart play. Don't try and rip it, get it down in there. You have bodies surrounding the net, and it pays off with a rebound right to a dangerous guy.
Pettersson back the other way. It is Pettersson to Miller. Miller toe drag is in, got a shot away, and Bibo makes one more stop just as time expires in regulation. They've hit a bit of a soft spot in their schedule after a great start, but they battle back here tonight against a very good and game Avalanche team, and here we go. Nathan MacKinnon. He's going to wind it up. Cuts around and heads up the ice. Here comes MacKinnon, taking it wide. MacKinnon shoots, scores! What a goal by Nathan MacKinnon! And it's over. Avalanche win it 5-4.
Just kind of idling here, finding his lane, finding his way where he wants to pick up this puck, and the 4th assist for Makar on this one too. I believe as he picks it up, he looks up, one little move there. That shimmy shake gets himself open, and he puts it in high gear and zip. Short side on Demko to win the game. His 2nd of the game, but just amazing how he just waits for his time, knows he has that blistering speed. That's the lateral movement that he talked about working on. He walks around, and that shot is so deadly from that spot.